Ever wondered how to throw a Juneteenth party that's more than just a BBQ? One that's joyful, meaningful, and memorable, without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're planning a family-friendly Juneteenth backyard party, looking for DIY decor and recipes, or just curious how to celebrate Black freedom with purpose, this guide is for you. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you believe in meaningful celebration and cultural connection. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips that make travel and tradition truly unforgettable. Let's explore the rich traditions of Juneteenth and how you can bring that spirit to life in your own backyard. June 19, 1865, 2.5 years after the Emancipation Proclamation, was when the last enslaved African Americans in Galveston, Texas, finally learned they were free. That moment marked the true beginning of freedom for many. Honoring Black culture, resilience, and progress, Juneteenth is now a national holiday that invites us to reflect, connect, and celebrate. A meaningful Juneteenth celebration isn't just about fun, it's about freedom, family, and community. Planning a Juneteenth celebration doesn't mean spending big. Here's how to host a Juneteenth cookout or backyard bash on a budget. Potluck style. Invite friends and family to bring a dish inspired by African American culinary traditions. Think BBQ ribs, collard greens, sweet potato pie, or red velvet cake. Red foods symbolize strength and resilience. DIY Juneteenth decor. Use red, black, and green color themes with paper lanterns, hand-painted signs, and picnic table covers. Add a Juneteenth flag to honor history. Juneteenth crafts. Set up a station for kids to make bracelets, flags, or paint freedom-themed art. It's a great way to pass on tradition and engage younger guests. If you're loving these practical ideas, drop a comment below and tell us how you're planning to celebrate Juneteenth 2025. A classic Juneteenth BBQ is more than just burgers and hot dogs. It's about heritage. Include dishes like red punch or hibiscus tea, a nod to West African roots, fried chicken and cornbread, Southern staples with deep cultural ties, watermelon slices or strawberry shortcake. Delicious and symbolically rich. You can even include table tents that briefly explain the origins of the dishes, turning your menu into a storytelling experience. Want your guests to leave inspired? Add depth to your Juneteenth party with meaningful activities, story circle or open mic. Invite guests to share family stories, poems, or reflections on Black freedom and progress. Juneteenth history trivia. A fun way to educate while entertaining. Prepare small prizes for winners. Live music or DJ. From old-school Motown to modern soul, music is a powerful connector. Planning a community event? Share this video with your local group or neighborhood page. They'll thank you for it. Make sure your Juneteenth party welcomes all ages. Kids games. Think sack races, bubble stations, or scavenger hunts based on Juneteenth facts. Craft table. Let kids create Juneteenth flags or friendship bracelets in red, green, and black. Reflection corner. Set up a board where guests can write what freedom means to them or share thoughts on progress. When everyone, from toddlers to elders, has a space to feel included, the celebration truly becomes a community experience. Whether it's your first time celebrating Juneteenth or your 10th annual backyard party, remember, it's not about perfection, it's about purpose. By honoring Black history, embracing cultural traditions, and coming together as a community, you're helping keep the spirit of Juneteenth alive. Tap the like button if this inspired you. Subscribe to our channel for more cultural insights and global celebration guides. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite Juneteenth tradition or recipe? Ready to dive deeper into meaningful travel, culture, and connection? Check out our travel blog at allmyne.com for more celebration tips and unforgettable global experiences. And don't forget to download the AllMyne app from the Apple Store or Google Play to start your next adventure with purpose. Together, let's change the world, one memory at a time.